Okay, এতিয়া টপিকটো হ'ব এৰিয়া অফ ট্ৰায়াঙ্গলস. Okay, so area of triangles খিনি ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল কোঅৰ্ডিনেট জিওমেট্ৰি তোমালোকে পঢ়িছিলা আগতে যে যদি তিনটা ভাৰ্টিসেস দিয়া থাকে তেতিয়া এৰিয়া অফ ট্ৰায়াঙ্গল কেনেকৈ ওলাব পাৰি. Okay, so that formula we will just bring it from there and put it here in the form of determinant. Okay, so first of all, as you wanted me to revise determinant, so determinant ki eta matrix asile na, you know matrix. So okay, it is connect hoy na is that okay. So we had something called matrix. Matrix ki hoy to tumaloke sobe jana. So there was a special kind of matrix which is called square matrix. Square matrix. So square matrix ki asile? What is a square matrix?
Row and column saman thake.
Same number of rows and columns. Ho na? Matrix with same number of rows and columns. For example, square matrix of order 1 boli gole ki hobo eta row eta column hobo. Okay, square matrix of order 1. So here example ki hobo eta matrix jat eta element thake, for example A, or eta matrix 1 or 100. Okay, so here eta row eta column ase, one row one column. Eneke eke dhore square matrix of order 2. Example eta koason. Okay, 1 1 1 0. So this is a square matrix of order 2 because number of rows given as 1 and 2, R1 R2, this is R1, this is R2. Okay, this is C1 C2, mane column 1 column 2 row 1 row 2. Okay, so you can have A B C D. Our favorite to whole square matrix of order 2 into our favorite hoy this is A11 A12 A21 A22. So this is the thing. So yat kyo A11 is because this is the element from first row first column 1 1 first row first column. Eto category ki ase 1 2 mane ki first row second column. Eto ki second row first column second row second column. So ei karone eto amar favorite. So we will be using this one as general 2 by 2 matrix or square matrix of order 2. General square matrix of order. So next of order 3. So square matrix of order 3, general matrix will be like A11, A12, A21, A2, sorry, not 1. Ete ki asile? Ki lage de? Hello? What should be this? Hello?
A21.
A2? Ete ki 1 hobo?
1 3.
1 3.
1 3.
A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so square matrix of order 3 mane ki tinta row tinta column. Eneke square matrix of order 4 thakibo 5 thakibo 6 thakibo eneke thakibo. Okay, so next we have determinant. Determinant ki hoy প্ৰত্যেকটো স্কয়াৰ মেট্ৰিক্সৰ লগত আমি এটা নাম্বাৰ কি কয় এছ'চিয়েট কৰো ওকে ডিটাৰমিনেন্ট is a number slash quantity. This really is number associated with square matrix. So, প্রথম কথাটো হ'ল if you have to find the determinant of a matrix, it should be a square matrix. Square matrix নহলে আমি determinant লব নোৱাৰো okay so determinant of matrix of order 1 what is that determinant of matrix of order 1 it will be determinant a here determinant কি হ'ব this will be a only okay it will determinant of symbol okay so this is good. So next determinant of order 2 যদি থাকে so your order 2 matrix কি হ'ব a11 a12 a21 a22 so this is a matrix of order 2 so your determinant ওলাব লাগে so this will be what a11 into a22 minus a12 a21 a2 for example the determinant ওলাব লাগে 1 0 2 3 a matrix determinant কি হ'ব 1 into 3 minus 2 into 0 which is equal to কিমান হ'ব 3 right
3 হ'ব
that is the thing so এটো কৰা 2 by 2 matrix ৰ determinant ওলাবলৈ খালি এটো কৰিব লাগে okay so determinant matrix এটা দিয়া আছে any matrix I don't care whatever it is for example 100 21 2 6 okay a matrix of determinant of you have to find a determinant of this matrix so this will be determinant 100 21 2 6 okay so which is equal to 100 into 6 minus 2 into 21 which is equal to 600 minus 41 which is equal to 91 5 5 okay so that is the thing
21 to 42 হে হ'ব
okay 42 is 8 okay so that is the thing okay so determinant of order 2 হৈ গ'ল so determinant of order 2 jana where we have to define the determinant of order 3 which is most important in our class determinant of order 3 okay so I don't care about my spellings okay so you should care about that so determinant of order 3 yeah so order 3 general matrix to dia asile a11 a12 a21 a sorry one calculation 13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33 so a determinant ulabole hole you have to expand this along some rows okay eta row eta column nijor mote expand koribo lagib okay so this like expanding along r1 opor expand korile ki hobo you have to write minus symbol first minus or power ki hobo ye position to ki 1 1 ho so this will be 1 plus 1 a11 then determinant of a2 likhilu now we are expanding along first row so first term to a2 likhilu a1 tar pisot minus 1 tar power to ki hobo tar position to 1 plus 1 1 ase mane 1 plus 1 tar pisot ei column to ar ei row to eri kini jiman determinant basibo a2 ya likhibo so this will be a22 a23 a32 a33 okay after that you have a plus here tar pisot a2 likhibo we are expanding along r1 so r1 er prothom element a2 asile second element a2 hoy so we'll write this one so before that you have to write minus তারপরে এর পাওয়ার কি হবে, কোএফিসিয়েন্ট কি হবে 1 2, so this will be 1 plus 2 a 1 2, এটা a1 2 to a1 2 যেটা আছে তার রো 2 আর কলাম 2, this row and this column you will leave it, remaining determinant to লিখা, so remaining determinant কি হবে a21 a23 a31 a33. Okay, this is the thing. So a1 1 2 is here, so you just leave this column and this row. Okay, now after that you see, is there any element left in R1? So R1 I have used this one and this, so you have the last element here, so you have to write the last element here with a minus symbol first. So minus symbol power to give, what is the position? 1 3,
A1
so this will be 1 plus 3. Okay, bottom to 1 plus 3 minus or power ho jabo, then you have to have a1 3. After that a11 a13 जो रास्ते a row to एडी बोला गया और एक column to एडी बोला गया, remaining determinant is this, so you just write it a21 a22 a31 a32. Okay. So this is the thing. Now you know how to find out the determinant of order 2, so you use that, or minus 1 to the power 2 ki hobo, so minus 1 to the power 2 is the positive number, so this will be a11. After a determinant will allow this into this is a22 a33 minus a23 minus a32. Okay, minus 1 to the power 3 minus 3 ki mane minus, this is minus a12. Now you just multiply this a21 a33 minus a23 a31. Okay, like this you just go on doing this. Okay, similarly you can expand along the first row, the second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. Okay, for reference you can just see this. Okay, okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, so here is the take any parts here. This is the thing. Expanding along row 1, etu ami korisilo minus 1 to the power 1 1 a11 arrow 2. Okay, arrow etu is a total determinant will be this. Okay, this is what we have done. So this is the thing. Similarly we expand along r2 r3 c1 c2 c3 yaar ji nai ekita koi diba, and you try to see that jon phale pura tumaloke ki expand koriba, you will get the same answer. Okay, that is what determinant is, determinant ulwatu, and there are properties determinant and all these things which we can do it later on, or you can just practice yourself and you could clear any doubts if you have. Okay, manaseও আৰম্ভ কৰা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে পঢ়িব, গীতি মাছ টেনচন ল'ব নালাগে। অ'কে, লাহে লাহে কৈ থাকিলে। অ'কে, ঠিক আছে। So with the definition of determinant done, we are coming to the area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle মানে কি? So you know area of triangle, right? Okay, so area of triangle is the area enclosed inside a triangle. Okay, that is the area of triangle. So in earlier class we have studied that area of triangle with vertices. If these are the vertex, okay, x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So what are they? Vertices. Vertices মানে এগুলা points, code point আছে এটা Cartesian planar. Okay, they are something like this. আছে না না drawing নাথাকিলে drawing কৰিব লাগিব, থাকিলে তো কৰিব দৰকাৰ নাই, নাই দিয়া বদমাছ আছে মানে তুমি। Okay, so here we go. So let's say this is xy plane. काम करियो मन करे ना मैं उपस्थित। thing. So this is our y-axis, right? This is x-axis. So you have 3 points here. So 3 point June phare thake pare. So for our simplicity, I will put it here. So at a point here, whose coordinate is x1, y1. Then you have x2, y2, and x3, y3. So another point is okay. So you know how to plot these points. Okay. Keneke plot koribo lage tumane kote janai hone najanile you have to just see that this side obo lagbo dei. So now you know najaniba okay, this is the thing. So this is the area of triangle. So this area we want to find. Okay. So the formula of area of triangle is this. Okay, half of this one, and this one. Okay. So this is the area of triangular formula. Jonto tumaloke around class 11 koichila sage. Ketia asile eto?
10 to 11.
10 to asile. Paisila no 7 e poa nai kinu class 11 at gote course to he koa nai koto ekane so I am just confused. Paisila no? Paisila
10 feel.
Okay, paisa jadi I have no problem. Okay, no problem, we can do it also, that's not a problem. So a whole expression. A expression to one bhalke sale saba je you will get this determinant. A determinant to kiti ami ulai diu, so you will get this expression. Hone na? A determinant to expand korisu asen? Yes. Expand this determinant and try to get this one. Eto aru eto eke hobole na. Okay, so we'll do it here. Okay, তোমালোকে নিজে নিজে কৰিছোচোন এবাৰ see পাৰিবা নাই. Okay, হয় দে নহয় মানে we are going to verify whether the book is right or no wrong. That's our aim. So our determinant আছে determinant which is equal to area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2. Okay, this is the 1/2 determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay, a determinant level. Okay, so to find out this determinant, let's expand along this row. Okay, for this column. Okay. So I will expand along this column. I'm not going to use any properties in all because okay, there are some problems. Okay, so those who knows the properties, you can use it to make this one 0 first, and then you multiply or whatever you want, or you can directly expand. Okay, so I'm expanding, and expanding along C3. C3 mane ki column 3. Okay. So expanding along column 3, what you will get is this. So 1/2 to what I say, 1/2, I'm not going to replace it, or do anything to this. So C3 মানে A2. Okay. So C3 আগত এটো position to চাব লাগিব, এটো কি হয়? এই position to কি হয়? 1 3, right? A 1 3 ইয়াতে है. So this will be -1 to the power 1 3. 1 3 মানে sorry
4.
So the 4, right? Machine to halke kaam karna. So this will be 1 plus 3. Then you have a 1 here. So 1 to moi niliko. A2 erile a position to erile sub matrix ko determinant to kontu pam A2 or A2 eri dilu. So this is the remaining determinant. So this will be x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay, ঠিক আছে. Next plus -1 to the power. So we are expanding along C3. So first element I use for second element to A2 C3. So this is what 1
2, 3.
Position to hold 2 3. So this will be power will be 2 plus 3. Now you have a 1 here. So I'm not going to write it. So then determinant এইটো পজিশনৰ যোনটো আছে ইয়াৰ যোনটো কলম টু এইটো ৰ টু এইটো এই দুটা এৰি কিনে যিমান মেট্ৰিক্স এটা বাছি আছে যিমান ডিটাৰমিনেন্ট বাছি আছে এইটো লিখি দিব লাগে এইটো এৰিলো so this will be the first and this x1 y1 and x3 y3 okay then you have a plus symbol again then minus 1 to the power next you will a2 or a2 use karo so this will be this so what is the position
3
plus 3 so 1 to 1 likhido then you have to just leave the row containing this element so this row and column containing this one so remaining determinant to a2 whole so you will just write it x1 y1 x2 y2 okay now you close the bracket eto expand korason photabot kora so minus 1 to the power 4 is plus positive hoy jabo na eto ar etia eto multiply kolo x2 y3 minus
y2
y2 okay তাইছে এটো কি হবে প্লাস না মাইনাস minus 1 to the power 5 is minus eto x1 y3 minus
y1 x2
x3 oh y1 x2 okay it's like same as x3 y1 okay তারপর এটা কি হবে পজিটিভ হবে না নেগেটিভ হবে minus 1 to the power 6 positive so this is positive x1 y2 minus x2 y1 okay now close the bracket okay so আমার যেটা কিতাবের ফর্মুলাটা কি আছে you see এটা রাইট x1 কমন আছে x2 কমন আছে x3 কমন আছে বাকি বিলাক বিপরীত আছে so this is এনেকুৱা ফর্মুলা আহিবনে নাই আমি ট্রাই কৰিম okay so from here x1 ৰ টার্ম কিনি আগত লিখিলো x1 ৰ টার্ম 4 ক'ত আছে ইয়াত x1 নাই oh ইয়াত আছে x1 ইয়াত আছে x1 so this is a positive x1 so লিখি দিলো মই x1 y2 আৰু এটো এটা x1 আছে so minus x1 y3 তাৰপিছত x2 টার্ম কিটা লিখা x2 টার্ম ইয়াত মাইনাস এটা আছে ইয়াত প্লাস এটা আছে বঢ়িয়া so x2 y3 minus x2 y1 then x3 term to ইয়াত এটা minus আছে ইয়াতে কি হ'ব minus minus plus হৈ যাব ন হয় না
হ'ব
this is positive so x3 y1 and minus itu na x3 y2 okay so this is the thing okay now you take out the commons whatever is coming out x1 here for common so you will get y2 minus y3 plus here for x2 common value this is y3 minus y1 plus here for x3 common value so you will get y1 minus y3 and if you compare this with the earlier formula they are same okay x1 y2 minus y3 ase you see x1 y2 minus y3 ase then y2 x2 y3 minus y1 x2 y3 minus y1 then x3 y1 minus y2 this is x3 y1 minus y2 so this is the thing so basically jetia ami tinta coordinate dia ase and you have to find out the area of the triangle then you have to find the determinant this determinant half of this determinant okay this is the thing okay got the point any problem
no
okay now you see here are few remarks because determinant jetia olwa determinant can be negative also okay so ekane determinant area of the triangle is not only this determinant absolute value of this determinant since area is a positive quantity we always take the absolute value of the determinant one a determinant ami absolute value ketiba negative aigole you don't confuse okay determinant can be negative but for area of triangle jodi ami koru if we are finding determinant for area of triangle we have to take the positive take the positive of that determinant, absolute value of that determinant. Okay, so this is the first remarks. Second remarks ki diya ase, if area is given, use both positive and negative values to determine the calculation. Area jodi diya ase aro kiba ki points and solabo lage, tetia positive value use koribo lagibo aru negative value use koribo lagibo to find out the points. Okay, and the area of triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. Area of triangle jodi tinta collinear point thake, area of triangle ki hobo 0. By the way, what is collinear? Collinear points mane ki
একেডালে ৰেখাটি থকা
eketa rekhate jodi tinta points thake tak ami collinear boli kau. So jodi collinear thake tira ki hobo determinant amar 0. Area of triangle to 0 mane determinant to 0. So here is an example. You see 3 points are given. Okay, this and this. So you have to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle hobo ki koribo lage half aru x1 x2 1, x1 a2 whole, x2 a2 whole, sorry, x1 y1 1. So x1 y1 aru 1 tar bisor ki x2 y2 1. ei 1 ti paharibo na lage ako 1 to ami nije bohabo lage dei 1 dia na thakibo points at coordinate at khale duta points thake duta number thake. Okay, so 1 kita ami enake bohai dilu. So this is the determinant. Now you see etu sai kini kobo para na expanding along ki korise etu. Can you anyone tell me? Eta yar pa etu likhi dile direct no, etu ekul ekhane expanding along which row, which column. So can you tell me which column or which row this determinant is being expanded?
column 3
keneke happy enake keneke hobo
sir row 1
you see prothom element kita ase 3 ase 8 ase 1 1 ase aru prothom element tor jontu position ki 1 1 position. So -1 to the power 2 hoy jabo no 1 plus 1. So ekhane eta positive hol, eta -1 to the power 3 hoy jabo, ekhane eta negative hol aru eta positive. So enake ami likhibo jetia ami hikibo bhalke buji jao kotha tu tetia lahe lahe ami -1 to the power ki hoy ebla likha eri di. Okay, aru expanding along to eri dilu ya aru tar bisor a determinant direct likhi dilu. So it over 3 tar bisor a determinant ulabo lage, this will be 3 into 2 is 1 2 into 1 is 2 the minus aru etu eke loge eke here this like a step to actually ahibo lage kiman tar number aru eta step tolot ahibo lagisile. Okay, here majar eta step nai kya kori. So this is the thing. Okay er ketiaba manue ki kore ya pa direct etu likhi pelay direct. Okay, so it's up to you. Kintu jehetu etia ami hiki asu, so try to write details. Okay, thik ase. So you see the next determinant keneke olai to ami janu, so we are not going to do that. So find the equation. Okay, find the equation of line joining this point 1 3 0 0 using the determinant and find k if bk0 is a point such that area of triangle this is 3 square unit. Okay, prothom to kotha hol ki kaise find the equation of line joining this point using determinant use kori kini tumi equation of line draw koribo lagibo. Okay, so what is the theory behind it? Okay, so first of all you have to draw the Cartesian plane, and what are the points? 1 3 0 0. So 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 0 0 mane etu. So this is x axis, this is y axis. So this is 0 0 and 1 3 dia ase 1 3. So this is the point here. I will do one idea. This is what b ne a. A7 1 3 into 0 0 is B. এটা আমার ইকুয়েশন অফ লাইন টু কি হ'ব লাগে এইটো হ'ল so line this so straight one anyway so this should be our equation of line. Okay, so here a equation to a line to equation বনাব লাগে using determinant. So determinant use কৰি কেনেকৈ বনাব পাৰি? So you take a general point here, any point. Equation of line বনাইছে মানে x y তাত থাকিব লাগিব হয় না? So you start with let x y be a point on the line. Okay, এটা ইয়াত x y ক'ত আছে? ইয়াত আছে ক'ত আছে? For example ইয়াত আছে. Okay, so Noen Money third quadrant বেছি ভাল পায়, so we'll put it here x y. Okay, now এই তিনটা পয়েন্টৰ ডিটারমিনেন্ট লগাই ইউজ কৰি কি কথা গম পোৱা তুমি? যিমান থিওৰি আমি পঢ়িলো আৰু ইয়াত তিনটা পইণ্ট লাইন এটাত আছে আৰু এই তিনটাক মিলাই কিনে আমি কিবা এটা কৰিব পাৰো নেকি?
ইয়াৰ 0 হ'ব মানটো ডিটারমিনেন্টটো
এরিয়া অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল তো 0 হ'ব হয় না?
হয়,
বিকজ কোলিনিয়াৰ হৈ গ'ল আমি এরিয়া অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল জানো, এরিয়া অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল মানে কি ডিটারমিনেন্ট এটা ওলাব লাগে, এই কাৰণে কি হ'ব এরিয়া অফ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ইজ 0. ওকে, নাও therefore what area of triangle এটা মই p লিখি দিম. ওকে, AVP is equal to 0, right? Okay, I don't care about language and all this. What does it mean? Okay, maths or I really don't care. Okay, মানে কি straight line থাকিবলৈ এই area of triangle to 0 হ'ব লাগে. So now I know the area formula. Area formula to determine use kori jodi ami likho, so this will be half half of the determinant point A to not point 0 0 likhi diyo bottom 0 0 0 then what sorry not 0 0 0 eta ki hobo 0 0
1
here 1 eto kodai 1 thakilo next 1 3 1 tar pisot x y 1. Okay, so this thing is equal to 0. Now a half to direct otarai dile hoy gol, expanding along which column which row will do, expand along r1 koribo lage. Okay, if you expand this along r1 because you have two zeros here, so you will be using that one. Okay, so expand along r1 ki paba, so half to katiye dilo moi prothom 0 into some determinant, so this will be 0 plus, so this will be minus. Okay, bottom to plus asle second to minus 0 into some determinant, that will be 0 plus 1 into 1 whole tar pisot the determinant a to determinant, so this a to remaining determinant no 1 into y is y minus 3 into x is 3x is equal to 0, so which is basically ekra 0 0 kiba kibi hoy thakile to minus 3x plus y is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, so this is the equation. Now this is the thing, right? So y equal to 3x. So whatever it is. So y equal to 3x, you will get it from here only. So you can put it here also, or you can write it. So y equal to 3x, whatever. It doesn't really care. Only what I care is this. You have to realize equation of line jeti ami likhibo jao. So there should be some coordinate of any general point should be in the equation. So x y থাকিব লাগিব আৰু area of triangle to straight line হলো 0 হ'ব লাগিব হ'ব বুলি তোমালোকে গম পাই থাকিব লাগিব. And as we are using determinant, so determinant er concept to use কৰিহে আমি question to কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, so whatever theory we study in the chapter will be used in the questions. ইমান বেছি মাথা মাৰিব লগা কথা নহয়, আৰু question যিমান থাকে এইবিলাক যিমান থিওৰি পঢ়িছো এটো মতে হ'ব মানে তাত বেলেগকে আৰু বেলেগ একো ইউজ নহয়. Okay, so therefore you should be confident about solving the problems. Okay, now you see this is the thing, bk0 এটা point হয় আৰু triangle to 3 unit এটা কি কৰিব লাগে. So abc abd কি দি আছে triangle, area of triangle is 3 d আছে, so you just write it. It will half of area of triangle ABD, half of this determinant, which is equal to 3. 3 যেহেতু দিয়া আছে, it can be plus 3 or minus 3. আমি plus ধৰি উলাম, minus 3 উলাম, so যদি যেতিয়া plus ধৰি উলোৱা, plus minus ধৰি উলালে কি হ'ব, k equal to minus plus minus 2 পাইছে. So this is the way. So you solve it and you see. Okay, so this is a very easy exercise. So I think I don't need to do any of these problems. So for your homework, you take question number 1 or 2 to loa 1 2 baki duta tu anake nijer mote kore thakib whatever you want. Then question number 2 3 4 5 gote kira koi diba ene hoy jabe. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be doing minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors definition to likhi dia loge loge kaam hai, more eko bikhe koribo loge nai. Okay, only thing is that you have to know how to find out a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. Hobo na?